Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Let's Destroy My Hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited today because I'm gonna do something that I've never done before, which is dyeing my hair at home by myself. If you don't know me, I love switching up my hair. I go to the salon and change my hair color like every 3 months, and it's like not cheap. If you know, you know. I've been going lighter and lighter like every 3 months for the past couple of years until I totally fried my hair to level 10 like 2 months ago. Yeah, it's been 2 months, and well, it's just starting to look stale and boring now. So I thought let's try it at home for once. Going to the salon so much has basically taught me a few stuff. I've been observing how they do my hair, so I feel like this won't go that bad. I'm actually really excited, especially because I'm going to be using this highlight cap, and I've been watching like a lot of videos. I haven't seen a single bad one. I haven't seen anyone unhappy with the results. So I'm pretty hopeful that I'm gonna like what I'm gonna be doing today, and I actually don't exactly know what I want to do, but I feel like I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna kind of do like a balayage and add some highlights and contour to my hair so it doesn't look this flat. I think I'm gonna first wear this and do the highlights first. I'm gonna do a darker shade, and for the rest of my head I think I'm just gonna freshen this color up. I think I also kind of want to like drag down my dark roots a little more so it looks more natural and like an ombre. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys everything that I'm gonna be using today. First of all, of course, it's the highlight cap, and I got this hook thingy with this. Of course, I got like a developer, and I'm gonna be using 2 colors today. One is a dark ash blonde and one is a light ash blonde. I don't exactly know what these colors are gonna look like, but let's just go for it. I'm gonna start with the dark blonde to add the highlights. I guess it's called lowlights because I'm doing like a darker color. I'm just doing a quick middle part because I want to keep a middle part when I do this, because this is where I feel like my color looks too yellowish. Now let's just put this thing on. That's really nice and snug. So the thing is on, I guess the first step would be to pull out strands of hair from these holes. That was weird. How do I get thicker strands out? I feel like I want thick strands. This feels like it's gonna be a really tedious job. I feel like if I do this like 2 or 3 times, I'm getting like more strands out. Okay guys, I'm gonna do this off camera because I think it's gonna take me at least an hour to do my whole head. I'm gonna get help so that it's faster. Okay guys, I got help to get all the hair strands out. That was like the most boring thing ever. Just gonna like brush everything out. So this is the dark ash blonde, and I'm just like, that's strong. I'm gonna mix that with the developer in a 1:1 ratio. I don't know why it doesn't look that dark. Like, it's supposed to look like this. I really don't know what the color is supposed to look like, but I don't know. I thought it would be a lot darker than this. I don't know what this is gonna turn out like. Now I'm starting to get scared. I'm just gonna use my hands because the brush is kind of making me uncomfortable. My eyes are burning. I really can't tell what color it's taking. I don't know what happened. This is not what I was expecting at all. Actually, I do know what happened. I accidentally picked the wrong colors and this happened. Okay, look, I just wanted to go like 1 or 2 shades darker, but I picked the wrong shade. I picked dark blonde, okay? Like it said blonde. Who knew blonde could go this dark? Not me. I mean, this is supposed to be dark blonde. I didn't realize how dark this was gonna be. So when I took out the highlight cap, you can see in the video that the highlight cap actually worked amazing. It worked great. It distributed the highlights and the lowlights so evenly throughout my hair, so the highlight cap was a big thumbs up. It worked great and I would definitely do it again. Where it went wrong was on me. It was all my fault. It was the color selection. Unfortunately, the 2 blonde shades that I chose for my highlights and lowlights were too similar and, you know, as you can see, quite dark, so you can't really tell the difference. But like if you go inside, you can tell like there are highlights and lowlights in. If you pick the right colors and you do this with a highlight cap, it would turn out gorgeous. Like, I have no doubts about that. It's the next day and I've accepted the color. It's a pretty color and I feel like this is just a sign from the universe that I am just not meant to be a blonde. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually the prettiest brown I've ever done. It's just that it's not what I was expecting and it's not what I wanted at the moment. I'm glad I did it because you know, dark hair is low maintenance and it's so ashy. I've never had such an ashy tone on my hair before, so it's really different and refreshing and I'm warming up to it. I'm loving it. When it's all said and done, the point is to get that salon look at home, which I was doing it for the first time, and it looks amazing. I cannot lie. Yeah, I guess that was the point of the video. Highly recommend the cap, especially if you're a beginner and you're scared and intimidated to do your hair at home. And I know salons can be expensive and I actually feel like I'm gonna stop going. I think I'm gonna keep learning to do it myself because I really liked how this turned out. Yeah, I guess that's all for this video. I'm gonna try to post a lot more often now, so definitely subscribe and follow me on Instagram. All the links will be in the description, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.